It was actually my idea that Blair look into at least Great Oaks and Live Oaks specifically. Just having been a store manager before and realizing what the current job market is, I had hoped that he might have or look at any possible leg up that he could have. Simply going to a traditional high school and then on to college, that would be fantastic. But if he could add a career center experience in with that, I thought that would give him the best possible advantage. I took a tour of the campus and I was astounded at how many programs there were. Not just the cosmetology and automotive like when I was in high school. When we first came to Live Oaks, I was really surprised to see students that were dressed in the uniforms for their potential careers or for their program. The healthcare students, were in their scrubs, and even my son's digital arts and design program, every Wednesday they had to dress professionally to prepare for a future career. My questions when I first started looking into Live Oaks mostly revolved around what we could expect from the curriculum, what we could expect as far as him meeting all of the credits he needed to graduate, and what he could look forward to after Live Oaks. Once these juniors begin in a program together, they're together for 2 more years. They can count on each other for guidance, help, homework help, social issues, career issues, bounce things off each other. They make new friendships. They still have their home school. They still have the neighborhood that they live in, the kids they grew up with, but they make a whole new set of friends. The hands-on experience at Live Oaks, it was very different from a traditional high school experience because not only did they have a focus on the academics that were needed for graduation, but also they spent a lot of time in their future, studying their future career. They got to experience a lot of different facets of a potential future career. Blair actually took 2 dual credit classes at Live Oaks, biology and algebra. Both are classes that he has a particular interest in, and he did well in those classes. I never considered that he wouldn't be able to go to college if he attended a career center. I saw it as an additional plus for academics, plus the, in some cases it seems like the kids get 2 years of hands-on experience in their possibly future career. That's 2 extra years that they have a real advantage over, I think, other potential job candidates. Any type of experience that you can have in today's job market, I think, is very helpful. I think Great Oaks was a wonderful experience for my son. I think that any traditional high school student that is a freshman or sophomore should look into Great Oaks, because I really promise that their experience at Great Oaks will be a lot different from the traditional high school experience and better than.